Just move it to the open position, your lock. Okay. Now move it back to the closed position. Okay. Now move it to the center position. Okay. Zoom out. Now do the same thing, open and then open the blade. The blade. Do that same thing again, open and open the blade. And now do close blade, but only go about half or wherever you want to stop. And then hit the, hold on, it's okay. Now lock it and show me the blade's locked. Perfect. Now unlock it, close it, open it. Show me that that's locked without coming off it, okay? Okay. Now go open and show me that it locks automatically. Okay. Okay, we're setting up a knife to just in a way that would cut rope very easily. Put it through there. Just pull it through. No, okay. When you do that again, I gotta make sure I got it cutting rope, pulling it through. Now, why is that safer? Is that a safer way to cut it?
Yes, it is.
How would you do that normally? Oh yeah. Okay. So you're using a lot more force.
Yeah.
A lot more force. Nope. Okay. Gotcha. Wow. Okay. Okay. We're going to show you how to cut. So this is some irrigation riser pipe. It's just some hard plastic pipe. This is probably how you'd use it. You can see the danger there. You're taking the force is coming right at your thumb. Or you're going to use it like that and you're going to saw away at it. You can get it done, but it's not the best way to use the knife. Okay. Now show us, if you would, Wes, how you'd set this knife up. You've got it kind of to a fairly closed angle. It's locked in. Okay. You set that in. You're pulling the pipe towards the blade, rolling it. And just like that, you have cut that pipe off. Clean as a whistle, hardly any effort. Okay. I'm going to show you just what you might be doing with a regular knife and how you might be holding it if you're scoring or cutting something heavy. Lots of force coming at you, pretty unsafe. Okay?
Unsafe here.
Okay. What's that, Russ?
It kind of hurts the.
Yeah, and it's not a comfortable position. You're just a little bit out of control if you're not careful. Okay. All right. Now let's use the Seber knife with the ratcheting lock. Put it in a position that works better for that job. Hold it in a different way. Okay, we've got it locked in there. Look at that. We've got a real grip around that now. The force is much better. You're down and across, almost doing a straight line without a straight edge. Lots of force. I don't know if I can get into look at that groove. I mean, there's lots of force going on there. So, okay, we're going in. Normal way you'd use it. Either with your hand that way, or maybe but anyway you're pulling left. But if you shift that, there's another way. Lock it. Now you're pulling through it about half the force or whatever. Just see how easy it comes through because you're pulling with a different motion. Okay. Just like we talked about, that has a bead blast finish on the bolster and a camel finish on the blade. This has all of these knives have a built-in seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker striker. Okay, now we're looking at a drop point knife. Same features in the locking mechanism. You see in there, every knife has a clearly marked icon system on the switches, so you can know exactly what you're doing. Okay, this particular knife has a partially serrated blade. Others have, you'll see here, a fully honed blade. Same knife, just a different blade. And the serrations are usually for cutting rope, Wes, or things like that?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about this knife because it is really different. It uses the same rotation lock system, which is, as you see, is the 3-position switch. That's closing. That's locked. Middle. It's closing all the way. Going back to the opening. Okay, now you're open and locked there. This is a zoom in on the bevel cut of this. One of the features of this knife is that the blade is exposed about 70% because of that bevel grind, like a knife would have. I'll get the light out of this.